Welcome back in another lecture of image processing using OpenCV and Python. In previous lecture, we saw how to extract the blue channel from any colored image. We did this by assigning 0 to red and green channel components using slicing technique. In today's lecture, we are going to see how to extract the green channel from any colored image. So I'm creating a new Python file here that is extract underscore green underscore channel dot py. Let's create it. Okay. And now we are going to copy paste this entire code because we have to do very minimal changes. Let me paste it. The first thing which I'm going to change is the name of variables to make this more meaningful. So I'm changing every blue word to green here. So green underscore img, green underscore img, and we have to display it in the output also. So let me rename it. Okay. Now red channel was already 0. Now I have to change the blue pixel components to 0. So I'm writing 0. We have seen that 0 means blue, 1 means green, and 2 means red. Let's run it and see. Okay, as you can see, the original image, and this is the green channel, extracted green channel image here. So this is how you can extract green channel, green pixel components from any colored image. That's it. This was for this tutorial, and we'll meet in the next lecture and see how to extract the red channel component.